Jeff McLaughlin, Tulare County Fire Department Deputy Fire Chief with your operational update for Monday, March 20th. We'll go ahead and start down here in the Camp Nelson area. Highway 190 still remains one lane only and still closed for just emergency traffic. As you come down through Springville, no issues to report there over the last operational period. Crews are going to continue to be up there to monitor the situation, assess the values at risk. As we come into Lake Success, water is still currently flowing out of the lake at the appropriate level, and no issues to report at the bottom of the lake as we come through here. Coming over to the Tulare River, just west of the city of Porterville, we're going to monitor the two breaks that were along the Tulare River on the south bank and the north bank. We're continuing a large aerial sandbagging operation with super sacks at 184 and 152, which is a very large breach. It was about 300 yards wide when we first got in there, and we're currently about 60% way through fixing that breach. Two additional breaches that happened yesterday on the Tulare River just east of Highway 99. Those were mitigated. We're going to continue to monitor those. We're investigating a new breach that's going to be at Avenue 144 in the Tulare River, kind of by Highway 43. We're currently working a breach that's down here on Deer Creek at Road 88, and we're putting in a large K-rail operation that's going to be around a hazardous materials facility that's down here in Alpaugh. As we come across here, no additional issues to report. We did have some localized flooding issues up here, and that was all completed and handled relatively easily yesterday. As we come across Branch 3 into the city of Tulare, we're going to put a large sandbagging operation around the Kraft food plant and continue to monitor the UC Davis research facility in there. As we come up here to Branch 5, the work that's all been done here is around Lort Drive area where Yokel Creek intersects with that. We've got a large K-rail operation going on there. We're also improving the damaged sections around Lort, basically between Highway 198 as it comes down to Avenue 312 and 196. Continue to monitor all the problematic areas we've had here in the past over the last several operational periods, but everything is looking good up here. Everything's looking good in this direction, and everything's looking good currently in the Three Rivers, North Fork, and South Fork area.
Hi, Danny Riston with the City of Visalia Fire Department with your update for today for Visalia. Visalia continues to prepare for any potential flood-related issues. We're currently engaged with a flood fighting expert from the Department of Water Resources. He is actively taking a look at the St. Johns River and looking to make sure that river looks good. We're encouraged by what we hear so far, and we'll continue to work with him on assessments. City staff are walking all the waterways through Visalia, looking for any weak points, looking for any debris that could impact flow. We're continuing to work with our partners, Tulare County, City of Porterville, CAL FIRE Team 3, to make sure that we're coordinating. We'd ask our citizens to continue to be diligent. If you see something, please call 911 or reach out through some other avenues. If you have questions about anything related to flood, you can go to the city's website, and there's a link that will get you some more information. We want to thank you for what you've done so far, and just know that your city is working hard to make sure that we're prepared to handle anything that could happen.
Brian Cogburn, Fire Chief, City of Porterville. First, I'd like to discuss Lake Success. The current outflows are exceeding the inflows, which has created a drop in the water level of the lake. The current level is below the spillway and is continuing to drop. With the upcoming storm, we anticipate that the inflows will increase and the outflows will increase as well. There is significant erosion along the Tulare River through the city of Porterville. We have issued an evacuation order for the north and south banks due to this erosion, and we continue to monitor the Rio Vista neighborhood, which is just west of Plano Bridge. In addition to that, we have increased staffing to make sure that we address our public safety needs. We will continue to address the routine emergencies throughout the city as well as the flooding issues that we have. Thank you and have a great day.